Lots of bass players struggle with keeping a good position for their fretting hand, and especially using or keeping their pinky close to the fretboard. I remember this struggle really well from when I first started playing bass in the late 80s. There wasn't really the internet then. I just had one magazine, and in that magazine I found a really great exercise to help with this. This exercise is so powerful that it helped me to fix my technique in just a few weeks of using it every day. This exercise is very simple to learn, but it's also very effective as well. You can download a free PDF of this exercise by clicking the link below this video. You can start this exercise anywhere. It's easier further away from the nut because the frets are smaller. So let's start on A. Now all you need is this pattern on each string, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, like this. 1, 4, 2, 3. And then you move up, 1, 4, 2, 3. Okay, slowly though. And on the way down, 4, 1, 3, 2. Now you can make this exercise harder by holding your first finger down once you've played it like this. Hold the first finger. And then the next one. Next one. Next one. And then on the way down, do the same. Also keep the fingers as close to the fretboard as you can, especially your pinky. It might be really hard to use that at first and it will probably keep flicking out, okay? One thing I used to do is hold it down very gently. You've got to be careful here, don't force it. And I used to sometimes not even pluck and just do this. Like that, and just hold it down gently. I found over a few weeks it really helped it to stay down. Once you've played the exercise on A, you can just move up a fret and keep going up, okay? And you can continue like that all the way out the neck. You can start right on low F if you want to as well. If you're enjoying this video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And if you click the bell and select all, you'll get notified as soon as I release a new video. You can also play this exercise on 5 string. Just start on the B string or whatever fret you start on. In this case, if we start on the 5th fret, we'll be on an E. So that's it for the exercise, short and sweet, but make sure you practice it slowly, okay? It's not a race. I've been playing it for years, so I can play it fast, okay? But play it very slowly at first. The important thing is keeping your technique good and your fingers as close to the fretboard as possible. Now that exercise is from my warm-up book for bass players. Really great book full of technical exercises. You can click the link below this video and that will take you to more details about the book. Well, I hope you liked this exercise. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and also like and share and subscribe to my channel. That really helps me out. If you felt you got value out of this lesson, just buy me a coffee. It's $5. The link's at the bottom of the screen, or you can click the link in the description. Also check out my website, gbshed.com. I've got loads more bass resources and courses and merch. That's gbshed.com. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next video.